Network Entertainment.
And we're back. Ganon. Parang mali yung
From
intro
where?
ko sa Let's Talk eh. So, welcome back to another episode. This is our back-to-back episode with my sister, Senator Risa Ontiveros. Yung earlier episode, yung episode last week kasi, seryoso. So ngayon, ito na yung hindi seryoso, fun, funny, lighter, lightest, whatever. So, thank you again, Reese, for agreeing to do this. And I
Thanks
hope,
for letting me continue sitting here.
yeah, and I hope you
So
don't
hindi
regret.
seryoso, hindi nila dapat
seryoso.
paniwalaan.
Hindi, seryoso na hindi seryoso. Basta the lighter side of life, kumbaga.
Yeah.
I hope you don't regret this.
Siguro, I won't, probably not.
Probably not. Anyway, o sige. Well, ang daming pwedeng pag-usapan. But I want to start with this, no, because a lot of people have, they keep posting it on social media all over. So you've been in theater before, no? So
yes.
musical theater,
Yes.
the sound of music.
Yes.
Okay. And you've said that it's your first love, and if or when no longer in politics,
Yes.
you would go back
Yes.
to it. So you don't have to explain, why go back, ganon. Pero what was it like, no, to be part of, and this was Repertory Philippines, the
The
premier
Sound
at the
of
time,
Music.
no, theater group in the country.
Uh-huh.
The Sound of Music, the auditions, and being part of it. What was it like, and why did you enjoy it so much?
I don't know, there's something magical about theater. And for me, especially musical theater, it was such fun. I was already a fangirl of Lea Salonga. Monique
Monique
Wilson was there,
Monique
the
Wilson.
Lauchenko siblings, Menchu and
Menchu and
Raymond.
Raymond.
And until now, wow, diba?
Yeah.
So,
Oo.
there was just something so magical about it na parang being part of physically translating imagination onto the stage and in front of an audience. So, I don't know. I just love it. Yeah.
And to be in the company of like everyone you mentioned,
Those
plus
actors.
yeah,
And then
plus
our
the
director,
veterans.
Tita Bibot Amador,
Zenaida
Tita
Amador, Baby Barredo,
yeah, Tita
Celia
Celia
Diaz-
Diaz Laurel,
Celia
Tita
Diaz
Chito
Laurel,
Ponce
Joy
Enrile.
Virata,
Wow,
Chito
Tita
Ponce
Joy
Enrile.
Virata.
Yeah.
Amazing
Yeah. Okay.
mentors.
How did you audition for that ba? You just read about
I
it?
think Mommy and Daddy read about an audition of Rep for Sound of Music in the
Yeah.
papers. So they brought us.
Yeah. Oo.
And
No,
it was,
ikaw lang
ako lang ba?
nag-audition.
Okay, they
Oo.
brought me.
I can't sing.
But you can dance.
Yeah, but not sing. Never mind. Okay.
So,
Yeah.
and I remember it was almost midnight. So,
Oh.
and I was the very last to be called to audition. So, I was so nervous na naku, people, yung body language ng mga tao it was the old Insular Life Theater.
Yeah.
Oo, where we
Oo, in
eventually
Makati,
rehearsed
oo.
in Makati, on Ayala Avenue ba?
Yes.
And,
Ayala Corner Paseo,
Corner
I think.
Paseo.
Oh,
Tapos-
but the play was in Meralco Theater.
Oo,
Okay.
but
sige,
the
sorry.
rehearsals
the
were in
audition.
Insular,
Yeah.
and then
Oo.
we staged it in Meralco. Yung mga tao ng Rep, by the time I was called to audition, sabi ko, shucks, parang pagod na pagod sila, nakasalampak na sila sa chair. Some of them were asleep na yata.
Yeah.
But I still
What did you
auditioned.
sing?
I sang Something Good, which it turns out
okay.
was not in the stage version. It was composed for
Only
the film
movie, for the
version
movie.
lang. But it was my
Yeah.
favorite. So I sang that.
Perhaps,
happy naman. Perhaps I had a wicked childhood.
Yeah, sige, you sing it na nga.
Perhaps I had a wicked childhood. And when I started to sing, I felt,
Ay, ka na naman,
salamat,
iyak ka na
they-
naman.
no.
Oh. Mm.
I felt they listened. And ayan, thank God, they called me back to be one of the Von Trapp children.
Yeah, Louisa.
Louisa, the
Oo.
third,
But
the naughty child.
yeah. But di ba parang we were hoping that you would be Liesel.
We were? I don't know.
Baka
I
ako
was
lang.
baka ikaw lang. Because I was
Okay.
14 that time.
Okay.
And Liesel was, di ba, 16 going on 17.
You were
So,
parang you were too young.
I was too young.
Yeah, yung
That was
student-
played beautifully
yung
by
student
Menchu.
canteen guesting.
Oo.
You sounded like, sabi ko nga, my God, ang taas-taas ng boses.
Oo
Parang
nga.
little girl, pero
Oo.
14 ka.
Nene
Wait,
pa.
ano yan? First year, second
I was
year
in
high school?
second year high school.
Second year high school.
Yeah.
Okay. But that was really challenging kasi you would have to,
Super.
ano yun, every night yung
Eventually
rehearse.
every night yung rehearsal. So
Yeah.
the next day, antok sa school. But you experienced that too because we were all together in Greece, Manila,
Yeah.
1950s.
Oh, you're getting ahead of the
Of-
story. Teka, balik muna tayo
Sorry,
dun sa
yeah.
Sound of Music.
Sige.
Okay. And then, I remember, parang meron pa kayong, you had a show, yung Sound of Music,
Oo.
Was it Christmas Eve or
Yeah.
something? Christmas
It was
Eve.
during the Christmas season.
Yeah.
Oo.
Christmas
So,
season.
yun,
Uy,
isa
nasira yung
pang
Christmas
challenge.
natin noon, ha? Late na naitaas
Sorry.
yung tree.
Yeah.
Sige, you're forgiven.
Sorry. Oo.
Okay.
So, yun.
But, wait, and then you do all the rehearsal. I
Yes.
remember, di ba, pag may late, galit na
Oo.
galit si Tita Bibo
Oh my God.
Amador, no?
She was a terror.
Yeah.
Great director, she used to say, in theater.
Yeah.
She said, theater is not a democracy.
Ooh.
Yeah. In theater, I am God.
God.
And
Yeah.
she was. The director was
Wow.
God.
Wow. Hey, that's so weird, huh? Theater's not a democracy,
not
but
a
that's your first
democracy.
love.
Oh. O nga no. You're the
Very
only one to
strange.
tell me that. Right.
Yeah.
My first love, in one way, is not a democracy.
Yeah.
But, I became
well,
an activist
yeah.
and now politician.
Not a democracy because there you learn discipline, etc.
Yeah.
But wait a minute. Before that,
Mm.
when did you realize that you could sing? Like, how old were you?
Wait, from birth, P. We're
No,
on
no,
Tivero
when-
says we always sing,
but
even
I
in
mean, you weren't
reunions. Then
singing when
Tito
you were a
Eddie was...
baby.
Of
Yeah,
course
I know,
not.
but yes.
When did I start
Tito
singing?
Eddie, Father Eddie Ontiveros,
Oo.
Jesuit composer, if you know Pananagutan and all those mass songs, that's Tito
Yes,
Eddie. Anyway,
yes.
okay, balik tayo
Grade
dun
school,
sa'yo.
I guess. I joined the Glee Club
Glee
in
Club.
Saints ko.
Okay.
Oo.
And
And I
you-
love that.
Yeah,
Oo.
but when did you realize, ay, ang ganda ng boses ko? May
Naks-
ganun ka ba?
Di naman, I just realized I really loved singing.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
It was actually
And-
a leap of faith to audition.
For the
Because-
Glee Club.
Because I grew up, if you remember, a very shy little girl. Not for the Glee Club, for Sound of Music. And
Yeah.
even for Q.
Yeah,
LaSalle
okay.
Green Hills.
Okay, yeah. So Q, okay.
Yeah.
Q, LaSalle Green Hills Theater
Oo.
Group. So we were in high school then.
Yes.
And then the three of us joined.
Yes.
And you were,
One
and-
of the Sandys.
Yeah, you were one of two Sandys. The other was
Opposite Randy
Rosan-
Santiago.
Randy Santiago.
We
as
alternated
Danny
with
Zuko,
Rosana Enares and Mike Del Rosario.
Yon, okay.
Yan.
So Greece, Manila, 1950s.
Yes.
And thankfully, Gingay, our other sister and I were also part of that.
Oo.
So parang, it was like, parang another really nice experience. Kasi
Yes.
after that, wala ka ng musical theater
Wala
experience,
na.
diba? Parang,
Well, after Sound of Music, I was preparing to audition for Rep's next musical, yung South
South
Pacific.
Pacific. You auditioned. What
Pero
happened to...
I didn't na. I wasn't able to kasi in the
Oh.
interim between Sound of Music and auditioning for South Pacific, naging aktivista na ako.
Ayun pala.
yun ang may kasalanan.
Yun ang may kasalanan.
Yun.
Nag-aktivista ka kasi. Why couldn't you like mag-aktivista ka and then
Oh.
still...
Well, activism and politics are like theater. Na sinasabing theater is a jealous mistress.
Mm.
You have to devote your whole life, your whole self. it.
Okay.
Walang kahati.
Okay.
Oo.
Okay. Babalik tayo dun sa activista years mo.
Yeah.
But kasi di ba we talked about so Sound of Music
Mm.
at 14.
Yes.
And there was that student canteen
Oo,
video
the
clip no
guesting,
showing you and
oo.
you're like parang wide
Wide-eyed.
Ganon lang.
Naka
Oo.
braids ang buhok.
Naka-braids ka, two
Oo.
braids, ganon. Tapos ini-interview ka ni Helen Vela,
Yes, and
no.
Bobby Ledesma.
Bobby Ledesma,
Oo.
and then you were all lined up,
Mhm.
di ba, from the eldest to the youngest, the
Mm-mm.
seven.
Menchu to Angela Adams.
Angela Adams.
Yeah.
Ang cute niyo.
So cute, playing Gretel.
Cute past tense. Yeah, Gretel. Oo. So, and then syempre, Sound of Music. Everybody grew up. We grew up with Sound of Music. I think that was...
We used
was
to
that
play the
first-
long playing record.
Yeah, we had
of
the...
it.
What do you call it? Not the 45, the 39.
The 33.
33?
Oo.
The-
RPM ba
Yeah,
yun? Oo.
the vinyl records. Okay.
Oo.
And we grew up watching the movie
Yes.
over and over again.
Yes.
Right? Okay.
Julie Andrews.
So let's go earlier, no?
Mm.
Still about voice because
Mm.
I remember, and of course so do you, in grade school,
Mm.
grade school ba yun? You voiced a Japanese
Oh,
cartoon
yes.
for Questor.
Yes,
so Questor,
Candy.
yeah, okay,
Ah.
Candy. But yung Questor, I don't know if people our generation remember this. Yung
Mm.
Questor, sila din
I'm
yung
sure.
Voltes 5,
Oo,
Miss
the robot
Z,
shows. Daimos, my favorite.
Yun. Daimos on
Mm.
Tuesday, Voltes 5 Friday, Wednesday, Mazinger Z,
Yeah.
Mikanda Robot.
Oh
diba?
gosh, I forgot about
Okay.
Mikanda.
Pero syempre na-ban yun kasi
Oo,
martial law yun. But,
mm-mm.
so you voiced Candy. So it was a little girl,
Yes.
di ba? How did you get into how old were you then?
Oh gosh.
Wait, this was before Sound of
Before
Music.
Sound of Music yata. So maybe 13. Kaya I always joke I was a child laborer.
Yeah. Okay. So, 13.
Yeah.
And then how did you find out about that? Where did you...
Parang I read about it in the newspaper.
Okay.
Oo.
Yung mga bata ngayon
You're reading my mind. I was about to say, so
Yeah.
young people,
Newspaper,
read newspapers.
Diaryo. You know, the
Yeah.
physical
The
newspaper,
paper
yung papel.
thingies
Ganon.
with ink
Let's
on
go
them.
analog. Balik tayo
Yes,
sa
there's a
analog.
beautiful
Okay.
article about that. This
Yeah.
is a good year to go analog.
Yeah, we should all go
We
analog.
should,
We'll
for
be
our
more human, I
sanity.
think. Okay.
Yeah, and our empathy.
Okay, balik tayo dun sa Candy Candy. So it was a Japanese cartoon about a
Yeah,
little girl who
soft
was
cartoon.
parang orphaned or
Oo,
something.
then she was searching for family,
Parang
something like that.
Annie. Parang Annie,
Parang
no?
little orphan. Oh nga,
Little
no, now
Orphan
that you
Annie,
mention
okay.
it. Mm.
And then I remembered yung voice, so you would voice it. And then
Yes.
yung voice mo was so shrill, yung bata.
Yeah, sorry.
Ano
ah.
yun?
Ewan ko.
Parang shrill.
May pagka ganun yung boses nung Japanese na Candy Candy. Pero yung boses ko rin kasi, di ba, it was high, it tended to be
Yeah.
airy, ganyan.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So, and that was, how long did that go on? Mga
Parang a year din?
a year.
Many
And
months
then you would
din.
go to the Makati office
Of
to dub.
Questor. Oo, to dub. In
How many
studio.
times a week? Parang,
Well, at least once a week. And then pag,
okay.
kunyari, we would have to make bangko, an episode. So, more, maybe twice a week at most.
Do you remember how much you were paid for that?
I don't, but I was so happy to be earning a
Yeah.
talent fee then. Kaya nga,
Child
hanggang ngayon,
labor.
when talking about my work, I always joke, I was a child laborer.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go even earlier. Okay, so our childhood and even earlier than child, toddler or baby. Do you have an earliest memory?
I do.
And how old were you then? Oh.
Believe it or not, I was a baby.
Okay.
Do you know, I have a memory. Akala ko it was a dream. Pero when I told mommy and daddy about it, sabi nila, oh, that really happened. I remember, nakatingin ako sa ceiling. So apparently I was lying down. There was cloth around my face. So yung nakabalot tayo na baby.
Baka that's when you were in the nursery of
Hindi
the
naman.
hospital. Oh.
In our house or apartment, sa Palm Village
Palm
pa noon.
Village, yeah.
Either Lirio or Adalia Street. Ano ba yung nauna? What was our
Adalia
first
first.
home? So,
Adalia
it was
Street.
sabihin Adalia
Wait, people
Street.
know Palm Village pa rin. Meron pa yung
Yes.
Palm Village sa
Oo,
Makati.
lovely
Okay.
little village in
Yeah.
Makati.
Okay.
So, nakabalot yung mukha ko, yung ulo ko ng cloth. Then I was being carried from room to room. And I know I crossed a room kasi, so tumawid
Yung
from one
hamba.
ceiling to yung hamba.
ng door.
And then another room.
Mm.
So sabi ni na mami at daddy, hindi talagang we carried you from one room to another. So,
So
can
you
you
were-
believe? I was a
Yeah.
baby.
So you were months
an
old.
infant. I must have been months old lang.
Okay.
Halos newborn.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So that was when I'm sure ikaw yung newborn.
Oo.
Okay. So
Wala ka
after
pa.
that, oo.
After that, my next
yung-
memory
Oh.
was daddy and mommy brought us to the hospital to visit Lola before she died.
1968.
Lola Tentay. Oo.
Yeah. Lola Tentay, our
Oo.
paternal grandmother.
Oo.
Tama ba yan?
Vicenta
Yes.
Pardo
Oh,
Ontiveros.
Vicenta Pardo Ontiveros. Okay.
So somebody, must have been daddy, lifted me from behind me. Hinawakan ako sa kilikili ko. Kinarga ako. Tapos nilapit ako kay Lola. She had
Kissed
white
her.
hair,
Yeah.
glasses.
The glasses.
Tapos parang sa pin or tuwalya, there was mertiolate on her chest.
Yeah.
So siguro,
Because she had cancer. She had breast
oo.
cancer. I mean,
she had had a mastectomy na
Yeah.
ba?
Yeah. Oh, and
Ayun.
then, or parang basta she had, I remember,
Oo.
nakasulat dun sa planner ni Mommy, yung
Oo.
cobalt treatment pa nga eh. That was
grabe.
long time
Oo.
ago. Okay.
So, and
you
so I
remember
smelled
that
the
yun?
mertiolate and I kissed her.
Mm.
Yun, tapos nilayo na ako. So siguro ikaw na yung susunod na pinahalik kay Lola.
1968.
If
I
you
was
have
about
that
10 months
memory.
old.
Oo,
No, I
okay, so
don't.
hindi pa.
Yeah. Okay. And then after that,
Oh,
what do
after
you
that,
remember?
halo-halong mga memories na of our childhood sa Merville, our old house where we grew up.
Yeah.
'Di ba?
Okay.
So, playing on the street,
Yeah.
visiting our kapitbahay, sina Malu Abrogar, sina Dina, sina Ana and Eileen Santos,
Yeah.
sina Ria Carreon and her
Yeah,
siblings,
the
sina Ana
Carreons,
Rocha and her siblings.
The Carrions were to our right.
Oo, to our
Directly
right.
in front of us were the Bacod
sina-
and Abrogor,
Ayun, sina
Abrogar
Dina
houses.
Bacod. Oo.
On
To our
the left is
the Santoses.
O, diba?
Mas malayo yung mga Rocha.
Rocha
Sa Montreal
were-
Street.
Yeah, the Montreal
Oo,
corner.
Corner something.
Yeah, there was a
Oo.
small, anyway, just go.
Oo.
Ano ba yan? Then,
Uh-huh.
then syempre, my next question is, do you
Yeah.
remember me
Of
when I was born?
course. Hello.
No, when I
I'm
was
not
a
sure I
baby.
remember you when you were born. Siguro masama ang
Talaga?
loob ko. Then, joke. We were only a year apart, so we were so
Yeah.
close. Of course,
Yeah.
I remember you.
Oo.
We had so many experiences
Yeah.
and memories in
Oh,
childhood.
and this is
from
where
childhood.
I cue for the pictures na. Okay,
Oh,
parang
yeah, may pictures.
yeah, our
Talaga.
picture. Oh, ayan.
Oh, that's one of my favorites.
Okay, I was going to
from
apologize
our
kasi
childhood. Oh.
palagi ako nandyan. I don't really
Why are
have
you
any of your baby
apologizing?
pictures na
Okay
solo
lang,
ka,
okay
no?
lang.
But that's you behind.
Yeah.
Okay,
See, I
you
had
were
your
pushing.
back.
Yeah, you had my back. Or you were pushing me.
Or I was pushing. Pero parang I wasn't pushing at that moment kasi
Yeah.
nakatingin ako
Yeah.
to your
Wait,
side.
but you remember the ribbons,
Oh,
no?
always.
So actually, you can make
ribbon clips.
little ribbons and then you
Oo,
can
na Velcro
actually
lang.
just tape it,
Yeah.
scotch tape it
Oo,
onto the
to
hair.
the scalp and the
heel
hair.
ties.
Cute.
Ganon. Okay, and then the next one is, this
Oh,
one.
cute. Yan,
Okay.
mas baby ka pa.
Yeah. Oo.
Cute. Ayan.
Slideshow.
Christmas.
Okay,
Always
yeah.
one of our favorite times. You were stealing my gift while I was looking away.
Stealing? No,
We
just
were
looking.
Looking lang.
touching.
Touching. So we were
Yeah.
sitting in front of the tree. Was that a pine tree talaga na fresh or hindi? Parang no? The
Yeah, it
structure
was
of
a
the leaves.
fresh pine. Kasi
So
at
nice,
that
ang
time when we were
bango.
babies, pwede pa eh. May mga
Nice.
fresh pine trees.
Oh, but even when
ganon.
we grew up now, there was a time
Yeah.
Manila Seedling Bank had fresh pine
Yeah.
trees.
No, but what I
then,
mean is yung mga trees natin.
Yeah,
After a
okay.
while, when we were
ano
about
na
in our
yung
6th,
artificial
7th,
na.
artificial tree.
Binili na
Yeah.
natin.
Anyway, so while
Yeah.
we're looking at those pictures, we'll just continue
Yeah.
talking na. So, there was music, theater, and then all those childhood memories
Yeah.
growing up where we would have, where we would have all these Ontiveros family reunions and
Yes.
we're always singing. No?
Yes.
So ako, I have my own
and
memories. I
playing
remember what
Monopoly.
it was
Ay,
like.
not Monopoly.
No,
Playing
Jeopardy.
Jeopardy.
Oo. And but what do you remember about those family reunions?
I remember that we are a very noisy clan. So a lot of strong personalities, loud voices.
Yeah. Nagsisigawan pero hindi tayo galit.
Hindi tayo
Diba?
galit. And when shyer members of the family, like me, like us, before you became not shy, once
Oh,
we
I'm still
speak,
shy. Yeah,
see,
okay.
inside our hearts, we're still shy little girls. One thing I remember about our family, though we were shy, when we would speak, they would listen. Yeah, they would be quiet and they would listen. They would talk with us. Although we were the youngest family in our
Yeah.
clan, right? We were the youngest cousins, shy little girls, and maybe boys. I don't remember if Mon and David were shy as kids, but maybe. But they would listen to us. And then the music. Of course, the food and drink, like any Noche Buena, any reunion. I super enjoyed the time na pwede pang magmisa in houses, in homes.
Yeah,
And Tito
because
Eddie
Eddie would say
celebrate
mass for us.
mass for us.
Do you
diba?
remember that he would have to bring the communion hosts,
Yes.
diba? And the mompo, the wine.
Oo, mampo talaga. Oo.
And then palagi siyang may baon na maraming communion hosts. So yung ibi-bless niya, yun yung kailangan pang communion. May extra na hindi na bless. Tapos he would give it to us.
Oo.
Tapos kakainin. Ang sarap. Ang sarap, diba?
Parang-
Especially pag may wine.
Oo,
Ganun.
less matamis na turones de kasoy.
Yeah. It's the same.
It's
Parang
the same
diba?
ingredient,
The
I think.
paper.
Oo.
Okay. There's another thing. When we were kids and we would play in the house and we would do a lot of, anong tawag doon when yung hindi play acting and we would have, I don't know, parang we would stage things or whatever.
Yes.
Yung tayong magkakapatid.
Oo.
Tapos diba we would have our own language.
Weird, no?
Yeah. What
I
are the
remember,
words?
instead of kunyari, we would say tomorrow.
Tomorrow. So parang,
How did-
tomorrow I'm the teacher. Ganon.
Diba? How did we choose that word?
Were there other words? Because I can't remember
Yun ang
the other words.
pinaka naaalala ko
Why?
talaga.
Why
I
tomorrow
don't
and why?
know. It makes me want to think about it. Parang how nice, diba? Instead of
Yeah.
kunyari, pretend, we would say tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
So it's like wishing or
Yeah,
dreaming
a
or
dream.
envisioning something. How
Yeah.
nice.
Visioning or parang another version of yourself in the future. Parang ganon.
Ang ganda
Or how you can
pala.
evolve. Parang ganon.
Yes.
So maybe that's why tomorrow.
Maybe.
Yeah, but also we weren't
Ano pa ba?
speaking Tagalog.
Yeah,
diba? In the
kasi
house.
si Daddy Ilonggo, si Mami Tagalog, so at home they spoke English.
Yeah.
So we had to learn our own language in school na.
yeah.
Remember?
Yeah. Oh
Yeah.
God,
So-
I almost flunked Filipino almost every
Ako,
year.
I
no,
struggled
failed.
through it. Pero finally, naging matatas ako. The one
Yeah.
tito who was very happy about it kasi Tagalog din siya, Tito Bert Avellana. The husband of
Okay.
Tita Daisy
Yeah.
Ontiveros
And of course,
Avellana.
this is Lamberto
Oo.
Avellana, national artist for
Oo.
theater
And film.
and film.
Oo.
And he was the husband of Tita
Oo.
Daisy
Another
Ontiveros
national
Avellana,
artist
national
for
artist
theater
also.
din.
Tita
Oo.
Daisy, eldest brother of
Sister. Oo.
eldest sister of
Oo.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, so we were talking about all those memories. Meron pa ba?
Mm.
Meron pa bang pictures or yan? Okay. Sige, let's just keep going. Kasi meron din yung when you were a teenager. Oh, so this is when you were a little bit older.
I love this.
Yeah.
Kasi ikaw tawang-tawa. Ako naman, that's funny. Ito, inis
Yeah.
ako. Tawa ka pa rin.
Aburido.
Aburido
ganon.
na ako. Ikaw natatawa pa rin.
You remember Popo?
Popo.
Our teddy bears.
Our teddy bears.
They were all named Popo?
Parang they were all named Popo, all our
Okay.
teddy bears. But our dolls had different names.
Yeah. My
Mine
doll,
was Tamsi.
Tamsi.
Yours was
Sari.
Sari. Gingay's was Sasa.
Sasa.
Diba?
Yeah.
Iba-iba.
Yeah. I just remember those. And they don't make stuffed toys like they do no,
Anymore.
before. Okay.
True.
Here's another
Happy,
one. We were a bit older
bigger
na here.
Oo, curly-haired na talaga.
Yeah. So that's me in the middle, you in the
Oo.
left. Okay, ito na college. Biglang Okay, ito
time
na yung
warp.
college years.
Yes.
Okay, these are what, this is your barkada.
This is my college
the
barkada,
badmintonettes.
the badmintonettes.
Yeah.
Because we came together because we all took badminton for PE.
In
Ayun.
the
sa old college
Loyola
gym na
Center.
ngayon gumanda
Blue
na.
Eagle Gym.
Blue Eagle Gym na.
At diba, Loyola Center nung hindi pa maganda.
Hindi pa siya maganda
Wala pa
noon.
ano.
Oo.
Pero ngayon maganda na.
maganda
Okay.
na. This was near Gate 3.
Yeah.
Ateneo
And
Gate 3.
from left
A
to
big
right,
tree.
that's
Annalen Rualo Reyes, Gina Unson Rivera, Mary Rose Suico Romualdez, and me. We had a fifth member by sophomore year. Freshman kami dito eh.
Yeah,
Pia,
Katigbak.
Katigbak Escueta. So,
Yeah, okay.
lima
And then,
kaming badmintonettes.
naka-matching
eventually.
t-shirts pa kayo.
Yeah,
The
Esprit.
Okay.
One of, maybe it was M who gave it to us. So, we
Yeah.
all wore this. And ako cardboard parang ID. This was during the campaign for freshman rep. So, syempre, tumulong yung badmintonettes.
Okay. And hanggang ngayon, you're still close. I mean, of course, apart from them, no? Sina,
40 years later,
Yeah.
we are still close.
Yeah.
Including my other barkada na nabuo namin in
Yeah.
sophomore year. Sina Melay, Abaw,
Yeah.
and si
Aggie
Aggie
Bulahan.
Bulahan Lagrosa.
Yeah,
Yan.
okay. And then it's so nice about when you can still be close to your friends
Yes,
after,
friends
like you said, 40
For
years. No,
decades,
it's such a,
Ayan,
they knew
we-
you for so long. Oh, that's
yes,
Pia
we
up there
climbed
in the
there's
tree.
Pia
Oo.
Katigbak
Yeah.
up in the tree. So we love these photos. We love these
And
memories.
this is the Ateneo campus.
Oo.
Nung wala pang building masyado.
Wala pa. Mas
Ang
maraming
ganda,
puno
ang
pa
ganda ng
noon.
ano,
Ganda-ganda.
Yeah.
So we climbed that near Gate 3 where the guard then was Bong the Guard.
Bong Adolfo.
Adolfo.
Yeah.
Ayun. At dyan din kami sasakay ng love
Love
bus,
bus.
palabas, or papasok. Ayun.
Okay. And of course, young Ateneo students now
Yes.
would not recognize the campus. Kasi
No.
ngayon, and kasi I teach there, no?
Mm-mm.
Punong-puno ng kotse.
Correct.
At
Oh,
punong-puno ng
gosh.
estudyante.
Correct. Ng
But this is
parking lot.
the
good old
medyo
days.
untouched good old days
we used to
ng
walk.
Ateneo.
Used to take the bus.
We would
Tatawid
walk,
kami sa Katipunan.
We would walk, di ba, from college to the Blue Eagle. Well,
Yeah.
Loyola Center now, Blue Eagle Gym.
Oo.
Pero now, if you try walking it, parang halfway, I'll call the driver na lang. Di ko na kaya.
Masarap pa rin lakarin.
Yeah. Okay. So, meron pang pictures eh.
Okay.
High school. Okay, sige. Balik na lang tayo
Hindi,
sa high
college
school.
din to.
Yeah, this was
With
19...
Chito Salazar. During the People Power Revolution.
Okay.
Oo.
1986.
Internal Vice President ako ng Central Board. Si Chito was our president. So these were the 4 days in February na pabalik-balik kami from home base, no? Yung Colayco Hall, papunta sa EDSA, and
Colayco
pabalik-balik
Hall
bringing
nawala
students.
na.
Na
Thank
nawala
you.
na. Sayang.
Yeah.
Oo.
Pero at least nakapunta ka because
yes.
kami pinagbawalan ni Mommy.
Oh,
We
dear.
would stay in home base lang sa Ateneo. But you went
Okay,
to
at least.
EDSA.
Yeah, I went to EDSA every day.
Okay. And then the next picture is... Sure, it's a
Wow,
slide.
Baguio.
Baguio ba to? 1986?
Oh, Baguio windy. 86 ba yan? Or, yeah, 86, I think.
Who took your picture? Was that
One
was
of
it Frank?
either you or
Me?
Gingay. This was when I went up for Frank's grad hop, graduation ceremony. I was his grad hop or date
Yeah.
at the
Drag.
PMA.
Drag ang
sorry.
tawag.
So it was
Drag
the
to
grad
the
hop, yung party. I was his
Graduation
drag
hop. Yeah.
or date. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we're
Frank
talking about
Barakel.
the Philippine Military Academy, PMA.
Yes.
Okay, tayo we know what we're talking about, but people who are
Yes.
listening. Okay,
Ayan, the
college
badmintonettes,
naman.
again, during, I was wearing the black pin. So this was after the Ninoy assassination,
Right. The black pin,
1983.
yung hindi ka
Yung hindi ka
nag-iisa.
nag-iisa.
Yeah. Do you still have
You've
it?
kept yours also.
I have mine.
I have mine in one of my boxes of mementos of those years. So very,
have a
di
lot
ba
to
ang,
go through.
ang fashion on preppy. So
Yeah.
even when we were in mourning for Ninoy Aquino, ayan, preppy yung style noon. And everyone carrying our books, our portfolios, notebooks, walking in the campus. Parang naka-pink balloons kami kasi it was somebody's birthday then. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Hey, his name is Chico Garcia.
And his name is Gino Quillamor.
And together, we are Only Fun.
That's right, for only $12 a month.
Ah.
Joke.
But if you're willing to pay, why not? No, we're from a podcast that talks about movies, TV shows. Basically, we do reviews of K-dramas, whatever is on streaming, whatever is on cinemas. We also get to occasionally interview celebrities, actors, directors.
And of course, infused with our own witty brand of humor and slice of life.
Wow. I guess we don't infuse a lot.
Check it out.
And then, next is, we're going through some pictures muna.
Daddy, high school graduation.
High school
Diba yan yung ating gala uniform sa Saints
Yeah.
Co Manila?
Yeah. What was that medal? What were you nga ba?
Scholastican awardee, Benedictine awardee, tapos
But you were not valedictorian.
I was not vale. I was salutatorian.
Salutatorian.
Our vale was Inge del
Del
Rosario. Oo.
Okay.
So this was the Scholastican award and I think the Benedictine award. And then parang departmental award for social studies or something. Something.
Okay, something.
Something.
Okay.
Mm.
And then, there are more pictures, no? Okay.
Ayan, my other college barkada.
ito na si
Aggie in the
Aggie and
middle.
Melay.
Melay on the
Yeah.
right. This was a Baguio photo. There was one time we all went up to Baguio together, yung barkada namin.
While you were in college.
Oo, while we were in college.
Okay. Siyempre, ganyan mga itsura natin
Oo
dati.
nga,
Naka-skirt.
Long skirt, jeans, ganon. Sweatshirts, jacket. Ayan, the badmintonettes.
This was in
Sanggunian,
di ba?
Sanggu ba
Or
to?
one of the-
Possibly Sanggu. Oh, we were still wearing, in front of the cork boards and blackboards and, the preppy fashion of the 1980s.
And of course, these pictures are yung actual print out
Nice.
photographs that you had to go to.
Oo, hindi cellphone photos
Yeah,
lang, na
oo.
virtual lang.
Yeah, so the kids these days are so lucky. You take a picture, you can show it kaagad to your
Yes,
friends. Ito,
but
you
we
have to
were
wait for
lucky that we
days,
have
yeah.
the physical
Yeah, actually, I like
photos.
keeping the physical
I really do.
photos.
And we used to
Yeah.
make, di ba, photo albums, scrapbooks. Kasi yung mga memorabilia natin, physical tactile eh.
Maayos ba yung mga memorabilia mo? Or would you
Hindi.
like them to be fixed?
I have like 2
Yeah.
decades backlog.
Oh,
Kasi
no.
since I became a solo mom, parang nilalagay ko na lang sa mga kahon yung photos at memorabilia ng mga kids. So, mea culpa. That's one of my happy retirement tasks, to update the albums and scrapbooks of the kids.
Yeah. Okay. More pictures?
Happy. Buti
Okay.
may kopya ka nito. Oh, ayan. Neneng-nene sa Baguio. Sitting on the grass.
I remember those shoes of
Oh,
yours.
di ba? Yung flats natin na
Yeah.
may butas-butas.
Tapos I remember, ang laki parati ng sapatos mo. Laki
Oo,
ng
8 and a
paa
half
mo
ako, 9 sometimes.
9.
Ikaw,
9 and a half.
7 and
I'm
a half
7
ka
and a
ba?
half, 8
Ay,
lang.
perfect
Ikaw, 9
sizing
ka.
sa'yo.
Okay. Meron pa? Yes.
Badmintonet.
Oh, this was
This was
outside
in the
Colayco.
Outside
This is-
ba?
that's
Tama ka. Akala ko inside the Colayco Hall. It's the central board, CB
No,
room.
right outside.
Outside, correct.
Yeah.
Ang happy, no, those days when we were in college.
Ang sarap, no? When you have, wala kang iniisip.
Oo, wala pa.
Wala pa.
School lang. Ano to? Oh, this was when you visited
Oh,
me
okay.
in...
We're jumping.
This was during the canvassing.
Yeah, 2022.
Hindi ito Senate, sa house ito.
Oo.
Correct.
Oo. So yung mga tao kasi nagtatanong kung anong
Correct.
pinag-uusapan natin. Sabi ko, ano bang pinag-uusapan natin? Politika ata eh.
Oo
Kasi
nga.
canvassing yan.
Correct,
Oo.
correct.
Ayan. So seryoso usapan.
iksi pa ng buhok mo dito.
Okay.
Ayan, sisters.
This was
When was this?
2016.
Oh, galing.
Okay, one of our
2016.
get-together. So the
Oo.
Gingay on the very right, and on the
Oo.
very left is Anna, our
Ana,
youngest
oo,
sister.
oo.
Okay.
Happy. Blonde ka pa
Yeah.
niyan, ah?
Then, medyo na-highlight lang yan.
Ah.
Okay. Anyway, okay.
Mhm.
So while the pictures are going on,
Yeah.
I just wanted to, what's this? High school,
Mm.
that's when you decided, that
Christmases
was
ago?
2022.
Ah,
That's when
more.
you decided in high school na,
Mhm.
okay, I'm gonna go political. And everybody knows
Yes.
na the story, the nuclear
Oo.
disarmament group,
Right,
and gano'n.
right.
But what was it in you that parang, bakit all of a sudden, teka muna, from musical theater
Oo
to
nga.
candy voicing and having a nice time and ano ba, bakit biglang
The seeds were planted in our childhood pa lang. Remember yung noise barrage noong 1978?
1978,
Oo,
right?
for the Laban slate campaigning
Yeah.
from prison si Ninoy Aquino for the interim batasang pambansa. And di ba we beat
Noise
our
barrage.
Oo,
and-
noise barrage
yeah.
with our Sandok and Shansi against pots and pans,
Yeah.
batya in our backyard.
Yeah. And then
And-
Daddy and I went driving around
Around Merville,
And then he was
right?
honking the horn. And then
Oo.
for some reason, I had what do you call it? The
Yung
megaphone.
New Year. Oh, you
Oo.
did?
Yeah, I don't
Wow,
know.
saan mo nakuha yan? Galing
I have
ah.
no idea.
And you were 11 because I was 12. You were so
Strange.
young.
I remember
Galing.
that. Anyway, okay.
So we heard then na,
yeah.
meron talagang opposition to martial law dictatorship. And
Yeah.
that's the first time I literally heard na people wanted something different, something better. And then, kasi diba, our parents, like many middle class people, voted for Marcos Sr. in 1965.
1965, right.
But not again when he ran for re-election in 69. And then,
Ay, wait a minute. No,
Oh.
no, sorry.
oh,
Correction.
sige.
No.
Wala kang-
65.
Oo.
Raul Manglapus ran for president, di ba?
Was that
Again,
65?
Can somebody
Not
check
earlier.
it now? Oh my
Earlier.
God. I can't, ano.
Kasi mommy and daddy
No.
met during Raul Manglapus'
Yeah, no.
campaign.
They campaigned for him.
Oo nga. Early.
65. He ran in 65. Can somebody check it? I
president
mean,
ba?
there are young
Okay.
people here.
Parang-
Google lang. He ran for president.
Oh.
So,
They married in 64 eh. They campaigned for him before they married. So earlier than
Okay.
64.
yeah, okay.
Baka
Sige,
61. Tama ba? I
yeah.
don't know.
But they voted, but they did vote for Marcos
Oh,
in
once.
65.
65, if I remember correctly
is it
from the
69?
story. 69, they didn't vote for him again.
Okay.
And then, our clan.
And this was the
Oo.
time na pwede pang mag back-to-back terms kasi ang president.
Yes,
Okay.
under the old constitution.
And our clan.
But our
Yeah.
clan turned decidedly opposition when he declared martial law in 1972. And remember,
Not then,
Oo.
a little after.
After ba?
Yeah.
And then
it was about
the
sugar.
time
Oh.
of the curfew. So
Mm.
whenever we'd have family reunions in Tito Alex's house or
St.
whoever's
Paul in
house, St.
Makati.
Paul, we
Yeah.
would really try to stretch things out para pagpatak ng midnight, curfew na. Hindi na pwedeng
Hindi na
umuwi.
pwede.
We could sleep over.
Sleep over.
Yeah.
Cousin sleep over. Okay. So
Oo.
the seeds were planted, like you said,
Even then.
at that time.
Oo.
So, and then, okay, let's jump naman. So
Oo.
politics, everybody knows your
Oo.
political career, how you ran for the Senate
Oo.
3 times,
Yeah,
etc.
before winning.
Let's jump naman to social media.
Oo.
Okay. So you have a very young comms team who worked for you, and they put you
Yes.
on TikTok
They
and
did.
Instagram and
Yes,
Facebook and
yes.
kung ano-anong pinagagawa sa'yo. No? So lately, nakita ko.
Precisely the term. Kung
Yeah.
ano-anong pinaggagawa
No, it's
sa
so
akin.
funny yung the one about yung they tell
Henry
you
School of Editing.
yeah, the Henry School of Editing
Oo.
and the flowers
Oo.
with the music na 1970s
Oo,
music,
diba?
and then merong lately na they will tell you random things.
Oh
diba?
my God, these
Kung
people.
ma'am, nandiyan na po yung aking whatever.
Yung delivery
and then,
ko.
Yeah, and then you
Oh.
would get confused. Parang,
Yeah, parang-
should I know this?
Oh.
And parang,
So,
kung hindi mo
ano?
alam, parang there's something wrong with you sa
Yeah.
boss. So, okay, ganon. Maya-maya, lahat sila, ang dami nilang sinasabi.
Ay, nako. Talaga. Kaya
and then
sabi
they
ko sa-
record you.
Yeah, they record
Yeah.
me. Kaya sabi ko, hindi na ako maniniwala sa inyo basta nire-record niyo ako. I'll always think there's something going on here.
Wait, what else do they make you do?
Ay, nako, they made me dance.
Dance?
Yeah.
Which one was that?
Ay, yung ibang mga TikTok. Kung ano yung
Okay.
mga trending na dance ngayon.
Okay. So you do have
Yeah.
a TikTok account. Does
I
she-
do.
she's on- you do.
I'm on TikTok.
How many, ano yun, followers?
1.8 million followers.
Holy
So, not bad na. Holy.
And you're dancing all the time.
Whenever they ask me to. I
Like
don't
what? Like
volunteer
what?
to do
Don't,
it.
don't stand
Kung
up. But
ano-ano.
just, ano yung hand?
Kung ano-anong tinetrend
anong
na. The
pinapagawa niyo
latest
sa kanya?
was, ano ba yun? Ano ba yun? Dun, 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 dun,
Anong music
dun.
yun?
Oo.
Ha? Yung
Oo.
Opalite?
Yung
Ay,
ano,
favorite.
yung, ano ba yun? Keep on the land, on the sea, in the air.
Ano yung 100 on the what?
Um,
Like that? Ano? Sige
So,
nga.
land, on the sea, in the air. Tapos,
What? Land on the
fidelity
sea.
or allegiance to your hand, to your team. And then, pag ganon, and then iikot ka na, ganyan.
That's the Opalite, di ba? Yung
Ay,
ganun,
opalite
ganun, di
step
ba?
ba yun?
Iba pa yung okay naman. Okay. 1.8 million, my God.
Yeah,
And all
not
you do is
bad.
dance on TikTok. Pero may seryosong stuff sa TikTok.
Meron
May-
din.
meron.
Hinahalo nila. Yon. Ganon.
So, Fate of Ophelia,
And
Hearing.
hearings. Oo.
Opalite,
And everything in
hearing,
between.
ganon. Everything in between.
Opalite, plenary,
flowers,
flowers.
editing.
Tapos nakasakay kami sa boat, sa ilog. Mga ganon.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Oo.
Tapos yung sumasayaw kayo ni Nakiko and Bam.
Yes.
and Chell,
at that
diba?
time.
Okay. So, you learn something new every day.
I do.
From
I'm
them.
forced to.
No?
From them.
Okay.
From
So-
the young people.
So, from what you learned from them, kasi you did a VTR for the Blue Eagles, di ba? Ang daming mga
Yes.
terms ng mga bata.
Oo.
Do you remember those terms?
Hardly. They have to
But there was
remind me.
There was one yung skibidi.
Skibidi. And when I use a new term, I have to ask, ano bang ibig sabihin
Yeah.
nito?
And then you internalize it,
yeah,
diba? You need
internalize it
to
at
understand.
least for
And then
that
you forget.
shoot. And then I forget. They have
So,
to remind me.
Okay, what
Ano
are the
nga ba
other
yun?
terms na skibidi? Ano pa?
Ano pa?
Bounce. Ano yung
Bounce.
bounce?
Parang, let's bounce. I don't
Let's
know. I
go?
think it's let's go. Let's get out of
Oh,
here. I remember.
Let's go. Okay. What else? Skibidi bounce? Ano yung mga term?
6'7". Ano yun?
Ano yung 6'7"? What is 6'7"? What does it mean?
What's
Risa,
that?
ano ba? Ginawa mo, hindi mo alam.
Oo nga eh.
Ano
Parang
ba?
hindi ako credible tuloy. Hindi ko maalala yung ibig sabihin ng sinabi
Ano
ko.
yung 6'7"? Ano yun? Somebody tell us now or else
Help.
we're gonna look stupid here.
Doing this, we don't know what it means. Reaction lang.
Wala lang. Parang
Wala lang.
Nothing.
Oh my
Okay,
gosh.
what are the other
I get
terms?
worried with these mga, it doesn't mean anything.
No. I need to learn this.
Yeah,
Ano
you
pa?
do,
Ano pa?
you do.
Hala, di na nila maalala. Dalawa yung coms. Ha?
Slay. A slay,
Slay.
of course.
Slay.
Slay.
Slay, parang,
Oo. Ay, hindi mo alam yun?
Di, alam ko yun.
Slay, alam mo yun.
I know that.
You
Okay.
know.
Slay. Ganon.
Yeah.
Ano yung mga terms about love naman?
Oh, anong terms? Oo.
Wala.
About love. Wala.
That's strange. Ah.
Ganun
Oy,
lang.
yeah, everybody.
It's so hard.
Yung
Oo,
ganon.
it's so hard.
What's
when I-
so hard about that?
Hindi, yung tayo ganito. Pero sila,
Eh,
they
ano?
use their, the,
What finger?
certain fingers.
What finger?
Ganyan. Hirap ako during the campaign.
ano
Parang
yan?
ang tigas ng
Ganyan,
fingers.
Oh, ayan.
Oh,
Ayan.
ganito madali.
ginawa
But
ko.
some of them, they use other fingers
Like that.
pa.
Ano ka ba, Riz?
Oo nga.
Yan, ganyan.
Yun na nga, hirap ako sa ganyan.
Uy, what's wrong with you?
I don't know,
Senadora ka pa naman.
yun na
Ayan,
nga, pero...
Ganun. Yeah, then we had to do that love because we're gonna talk about love.
Oh, okay. That's
So
your
anyway,
segue.
So
Mm.
very briefly lang. So
Yeah,
diba, you were widowed at
briefly.
39.
Yes.
So single mom to 4. At the time they
Yes.
were, the kids age ranges 12 to 3.
3.
And then, you know, I think we were all busy with our lives. That,
Yes.
so I only realized much later in
Oo,
life,
oo.
so many years after, na parang medyo, I wasn't around for you. Kaya pala,
You were naman.
hala, I don't remember
Well,
talaga.
especially
No,
later, we renewed
Later.
our
Oo, but
sisterhood
what
and
I mean is
friendship,
kasi,
diba?
di ba parang life
In our
happened. Alam mo
middle
yung parang
years.
we all had our
Super.
lives na,
Of course.
even if you're close as
kids. Oo.
you really literally grow apart. Especially
Oh.
once you graduate from school.
And then you work,
Yeah.
and then you have your own
Work,
families. For
ganon.
sure.
But you know, I remember from high school, di ba?
Oo, oo.
So, fourth year high school kami ni Gingay. Tapos nag-graduate ka, you went to college,
college
na Ateneo.
na. Oo.
Parang ang feeling ko orphan. Kasi
Oo.
wala na
ako
akong,
sa
ano eh,
scenes
wala na
ko.
ako. But anyway,
With you
So,
guys.
but yeah, what? Teka muna, sabi ko love bigla. Teka, I'm trying so hard to go to that, but, kasi paano ba
Ganon.
yan ulit?
Ay,
Paano ba
I'll
yan
just
ulit?
do it
Hala.
my way. Hirap ako dyan with the index and middle
Tama ba?
fingers.
Okay, but anyway, but ayun na nga, no. So we were close, but then kinda grew apart, parang
Oo.
ganon, ano. But anyway, What's this? Babalik na lang tayo sa love kasi
Oo.
may nakita akong iba yan. Parang biglang, teka wait, I wanna skip that muna. You know, what you really like. Yung parang,
Mhm.
kasi a lot of people ask, so what she really like, parang ganun.
Mhm.
Pagod ka na ba?
No,
Hindi
I'm
pa
just
naman. Okay.
changing my position.
The one thing about Teresa kasi,
Mhm.
hindi marunong magalit eh, di ba? Hindi,
Marunong.
nagagalit pala siya. Pero kahit galit siya, parang,
Ilongga.
ay, tumanay pa rin ang boss. Parang, hindi pala siya. Di ba? You're like that.
Yeah.
I've never seen you like screaming angry.
I don't
Not like
scream.
me.
I've shouted.
Shout.
I don't scream.
Yeah. No, but even when you're angry,
Oo.
hindi ka mukhang galit. Parang mabait
Oh, dear.
ka pang tingnan. What's wrong with
Okay.
you?
I don't know. I do get mad. And
Yeah.
yeah, people who
Yeah,
are
you
with
can
me
get mad.
often, they
Oo.
can tell. They know.
Yeah.
Oh.
But you don't feel the need to like bring it all out.
I
or
do.
you're just-
I do.
Yeah.
Oo. Especially in my work. Oo.
Oh,
Or even
okay.
in yung
Yeah.
mga personal relationships, of course naman. Oo.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And then, parang ang tingin sa'yo, masyado kang mabait.
Hindi. I'm
Diba?
not.
Para bang
I'm not
the
too
path of
mabait.
least resistance. Yes, you are. Masyado kang mabait.
Hindi rin path of least resistance. Nako, ako pa, resistor ako eh.
Yeah, no, but anyway, no, let's not go there.
No.
Let's not go there. Okay. And then another thing about you, you don't presume the worst of people.
Oh, that is true. I don't.
Yeah, unlike
don't.
me.
Really?
But you're so that's
Pero-
why nga I say masyado kang mabait. You're
Hindi naman masyado mabait. But friends have told me, kunyari, na a few have said, you always see the best in people. Ako naman, I always see the worst in people. That's why we're friends. Kasi our views complement each other and more or less can complete a
Yeah.
view of
Yeah.
a situation or
Oh.
people.
Okay.
Ganon.
So kung masyado kang mabait, tapos
No.
kung magalit ka na mahinahon pa yung boses mo, yung parang galit ako, ganon.
Very
Ah,
Ilongga, di
Diba?
ba?
Yeah. Hiligay nun, ganon. And then you don't presume the worst of people. Kanino ka
Yeah.
nagmana?
Daddy, I guess.
Daddy,
Tama
no?
ba? Ganon ba si Daddy?
Ontiveros,
Yeah, although Ontiveros
Masyadong mabait.
matapang din eh. Well, the
matapang
clan,
pero
matapang. But
mabait.
Daddy, very mild-mannered, di ba? Laid
Yeah.
back, ganon.
Yeah, okay.
Mm.
And then, one of the things you like to reply, whenever, wherever, happy.
Oh my gosh,
You-
you're the second
happy, then
person
may exclamation.
at least to say.
Oh,
At
natatawa
may
yung staff
smiley
mo, diba?
face.
Ano
Oo.
sabi niya, di ba? Happy. Ganun. Happy.
True.
And then, or the smiley face and then the
The
exclamation
smiley
point.
emoji.
Yeah.
Oo.
Why do you like to use that word?
I guess that's my disposition or default. And
Joy.
Yeah, joy.
Joy.
I think there's maybe with all its parang sa desiderata, with all its ano ba yun, sham, drudgery and broken dreams, it's still ano ba yun, a beautiful life or world or something. So there's still a lot of joy even if there's a lot of sorrow.
A lot of joy, a lot of
Yes.
things, or people that make you happy.
Yes.
Like, in terms of world leaders. Or,
oh, yeah.
But let's talk about, we were talking about him kanina before we were recording. Si Pope Leo, di ba? He's one of the
Yes.
people that make you happy. Why?
Yes, Pope Leo makes me happy because after Pope Francis, whom I loved,
Yeah.
he has, though he's also stuck to what's written, but he has continued and in his own way also that pastoral approach to us Catholics and to the world. He's very inclusive. He's been a missionary, so I feel he's also very grounded. Although he's an American, but he was a missionary in Latin America. So global South then, di ba? The developing world then. Obviously intelligent. I know from the early morning hours here when he was elected, I felt that joy. Parang waves of joy going around the world. Yun na nga gumising sa akin at that time. And though I didn't know him from Adam then, I felt, nagising ako because of the joy going around the world. And so the joy is always a good indicator na something good has happened. And, I held my
Something
comfort
good,
cross.
the same song you sang.
Yeah, right?
In your audition. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so, who else?
Oh, among other world leaders.
Yeah.
So, of those who are no longer with us, Gandhi, Mandela, of those who are still with us, Obama, Jacinda Ardern of New Zealand, even Angela Merkel of Germany. Though our politics are different, but wow, I really admired her and Jacinda's pandemic response as women leaders at that time. And young and up and coming leaders like Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez, Ma'am Dani, the mayor of New York. And, so with them also, there's a lot of hope.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's interesting when you say parang even if your politics are
Yeah.
different, there is still that respect. And I think that's one
Yes.
thing that parang we all need to learn, even younger people, na parang
Yes.
to be able to respect one another,
Oo.
even if you don't agree with someone. Diba?
Correct. And
Because
you
that's what makes us human.
yes.
Mm.
And capable of becoming more humane
Mm.
rather than more inhumane. Now, I remembered it has something to do with speed also. I remember an old column of Randy David and ironically, he was talking about his love of motorcycling. But in one part of the column, he said, speed is violence. There's something about social media, the sheer volume of it, the sheer speed of it.
Mm.
It's just, I think, too much.
Yeah.
For
that's why it's
human
overwhelming.
feeling,
Yeah.
it's overwhelming. And even
Yeah.
for human thought.
Yeah.
I think we need to decelerate. We need to recover some of the human speed of life so that we can learn to, we need time to understand each other. And it's only by understanding, or at least trying to understand each other, that we'll be more respectful, more accepting,
Mhm.
more willing to believe that, there can be a meeting
Yeah.
of minds. It takes time
Yeah. Oo.
Social media doesn't allow for that.
Yeah. Parang we have to be kinder,
You have
diba?
to be kinder.
Yung social media, diba, overwhelming. And then, diba, a lot of young people, even older ones,
Yeah.
they say,
Us too.
may mental health issues. And you know what? The funny thing is, and I'm sure many of the doctors who speak to them or counselors would say, get off social media, get off your
Yeah.
phones, and
Diba?
maybe it's going to help you.
What did they say?
The reason-
Disconnect
To disconnect. diba?
regularly for a
Oo,
time.
and then,
yeah.
sometimes some young people, they freak out. Wala akong Wi-Fi. Oh my God, wala akong Wi-Fi. Maganda nga yun. Minsan
Yeah.
okay lang na wala kang Wi-Fi.
It's
diba?
life-saving.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Diba? And parang, and the reason why we feel overwhelmed is because when, diba, kunyari, we're reading the news.
Yeah.
Dati kasi, may 6 o'clock p.m.
O,
news, diba?
ganon.
You wait 24 hours to find out what happened.
Or
diba?
the next day's
Ngayon,
newspaper.
you just pick up your phone, you know exactly
Diba?
what's going on right away. And then
Yeah.
wala na siyang filter.
Wala
no more
na.
filters, no more barriers, no more barricades. Everything
Even for
is
fake
in
news.
your face.
Yeah.
Diba?
Diba?
News and fake news, whatever it is, it's in your face. Wala ka nang, there's no more protection. There's nothing,
Oo,
diba?
wala.
So how can you not be overwhelmed?
Diba? Because how can one
Yeah.
person take knowing everything about everyone, everywhere, parang yung
Yeah.
pelikula ni Michelle Yeoh, all at the same time.
Yeah.
Only God can take that.
Mm-mm.
But we're human.
Mm-mm.
Diba? So, I read a beautiful article in the new year na this is a good year for going analog. Yeah.
Yeah.
I sent it
I
to my
agree.
kids and
Yeah.
inaanaks.
Yeah. That's true.
Yeah.
Good year to go analog.
Yeah.
Anyway, sige, we're gonna wrap up na kasi 45 minutes na. But anyway,
Okay.
so di ba I was asking, so who makes you happy among world
Yes.
leaders? Sa personal mong,
Yes.
in your personal life, no?
Yeah.
Private, So who makes you happy, di ba? Ganun.
Oh, so this
Your
is a
I'm
mix.
sure your kids.
Oh, of course. Yun. So this is a
Me.
mixed one. Of course, you too. Especially
hindi lang ako.
in our middle
kahit
years.
ako yung favorite sister.
Yeah. Lagot ka.
I'm
I
sure
don't
the
believe in
siblings.
favoritism
Yeah,
pa naman.
okay.
So, well, whenever, I'll change my answer to your question a bit. Usually when somebody asks me, kumusta ka? I always start with what I call my circle of intimate others. So, parents. So, ang natira na lang sa akin, si mommy. And then, yung
What do you mean you
love
start with your intimate,
circle of
you-
intimate others. So,
Yeah.
that's parents.
So you parang you
spouse
answer
or
the question as
partner. That way, like,
kumusta ka with
somebody says, kumusta? Kunyari, texting lang, kumusta? I'll say how I'm feeling about parents, spouse or partner, children, siblings, ganon. And then I end with about my work.
Mhm.
So, ganon. So, I feel most whether happy or not happy about those. So, mommy, partner, children, their spouses or partners, siblings, their spouses or
Mhm.
partners. Ganon.
Yeah, okay.
Ganon.
Yung and it's interesting that you think that way na parang
Yeah.
you answer that question that way. You think about other people
Oo.
because
In relation.
and I
Me.
forgot that this is another thing about you. You reply to all these text messages,
Yeah.
no? And then pagsagot mo you answer point by point and you you never fail to reply. And I'm like, oh my God, senador ba to? Bakit
Oo naman.
ganon? And
But
then-
that's why I answer first the yung direct messages.
Mm.
Hinuhuli ko yung chats. actually every New Year, I leave group chats na kunyari I was added to without my
Without
permission
your consent.
because
Okay.
I make paalam naman na mga kasama, alis na muna ako sa chat natin. I can't keep up with chats. Hehe. That's the heart of my message. Then see you na lang in real life or in our direct messages. I can't keep up eh. So
Yeah.
that's part of my analogging na rin, di ba?
Oo. But in our family chats, for example, the siblings
Oh, I don't
or
ever leave our
or the Ray
family
Hondies
chats.
chats
Yeah,
or
yeah.
the H teams, the Hondi cousins and
Yes,
pamangkins or the Hondi cousins.
Yes.
You're able to, parang you backread.
Oo. Kasi there are days when
Yeah.
I can't do chats. So by the weekend, kunyari, I'll backread.
Yeah.
And then I'll answer parang synthesis na.
Yeah.
So happy birthday to so and so.
yeah.
or such.
And you always say, and happy and healthy new year of life. Ganon.
Oo.
Memory
Alam ko na
yun.
yung aking
Copy paste,
Christmas
copy
greeting.
paste. Okay.
Birthday greeting. And I don't
Yeah.
copy paste I encode. Kasi like, kunyari sa batch,
Oh.
sa Saints ko or Ateneo batch chats namin. Kasi sometimes, like when people turn at 30, 40, 50, it's different. I greet for the decade. Yeah.
Okay. So, what else or who else makes you happy? And then, we'll wrap this up na.
What makes me happy?
What keeps you going?
What keeps
is
me
it that,
going, and
what
I think
makes
it's the
you
same for
happy? Yeah.
everyone, you too. What keep me going are my original inspirations for why I chose this life, why I'm in this space. So, I think we've talked about each of them during our conversation now. Na what inspirations do I return to regularly to recharge? So, the people who love me and whom I love, pride in being Pinoy, the beauty of nature, the beauty of our arts and cultures, and our faith, our spirituality. So yun yung mga binabalik-balikan ko kasi yun talaga yung sources of inspiration and joy ko. Fuel just to keep going from morning to morning.
Okay.
Yeah.
As a parang final words na lang from you. Earlier you already said it, diba? Parang let's go analog, diba? Let's slow down. Let's decelerate.
Yes.
Slow things down a bit. What else would you like people, Pinoys, young and old alike,
Yes.
to know? Parang ano yung gusto mong malaman nila ngayon?
Siguro I'll share something that I've always told my kids and I tell younger people when they ask advice or a tip. And for me, it counts also for us as we grow older. Yung follow your bliss. Yung find what we love. Yung parang yung tanong mo sa akin kanina lang, what makes us happy? What gives us joy? Find what we love. Be excellent at it. Whether it's trying to be excellent as an activist and politician, whether it's you being excellent as a journalist. Then kasi when we try for excellence or we achieve excellence, even in moments, that's also our service to other people. And as we serve, we become happy. So it comes back to joy. Diba? Joy gives back joy.
And that's our sphere of influence. So
Yeah.
our being excellent in our field will eventually help our country also
I
and the
believe
world in general,
that.
diba?
Yeah,
I mean,
P.
diba, a lot of people say, how can we help? What can we do? Ganon.
Yeah.
Be excellent in your sphere of
Exactly.
influence. No?
Kasi it's an energy that we learn in physics since high school. Energy that never is destroyed. It remains in the environment. And over time, as more and more people, not just us, add to it, it will make our environment reach a critical, or that energy reach a critical mass. It will spark a turning point in our environment. That's where all our changes can come from. Personal changes natin. And then changes in our society.
Thank you very
Thanks,
much.
P.
Thanks, Liz.
Thank you. And you're welcome.
Okay, wag tayo mag-kiss and hug kasi may
May mic sa
microphone.
mukha natin eh.
Thank you very much.
Salamat. Walang anuman. Bye.
Ganon, ano yun? Paano ulit? Ha?
I won't do it the Gen Z way. I cannot.
Whatever.
Whatever. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Let's talk. See you again.
With Pia Ontiveros.
Yeah.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.